It's all about the install. 360 booth. I installed and designed 360 booth. About the installation, it was critical that I did the first 200 installs by myself. I packed them, I built them, I palletized them, I shipped them and installed. Once I learned the entire process, I found from my photo service of 23 years, 4 of the most amazing, highly detailed individuals. We leave from Tampa, Florida on a Monday. We typically get to the average store around 11 o'clock in the afternoon or morning, Monday. They get right to work. They'll do a 10, 12, 13-hour day and deliver that studio to you Wednesday afternoon. Once that happens, we are going to request all the managers to be there and photographers, and we're going to train your individual. Sometimes it takes 20 minutes. They've done this before. We just have to show them the subtleties on the light. We can stay 4 hours. If that doesn't work, after the 3-day install, Monday to Wednesday, I'll fly in at no cost and train your guys.